On a bright sunny day, the birds start to sing. As the gentle breeze blows, it dances on my skin. I feel the warmth of the sun filling up the air. It's like a symphony of nature everywhere. The sound of the waves